Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now select while using the app, tap on Allow, and close Launcher app. When you're ready, go into Settings. In them, you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. Now select Default Apps and tap on Home App. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher to apply it and choose OK and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, access the same Home App settings and tap on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!